Organs o yung mga sex organ nila. So we use their skin for parts and accessories, bones for medical purposes, and of course, their genitals we use it for aphrodisiac. So for the adults po, you know what I mean? Especially po kasi when the tigers are in heat or it's on their mating season, believe it or not, a couple of tigers po, they can make love for about 25 times in a single day.
Wow!
That's why for tigers just to get the genitals. So you can also determine whether the tigers are into blue-green or luminous green. So when that happens, that is the sign for us to leave this area also.
Okay. Yan, kaya pala sa gilid ba nakakantukan? Dito ko nagsagaan sa kaliwa eh.
Mas magalay nyo lang.
Adik ka.
Bakit eh?
Eh, lilipat kasi tayo dun sa kabilang ano. Animal.
Sakay ka na.
Sakay na. Saya naman ito. Zubik safari. Nursery. Dik ko mga ito. Yun ang manok ko. Ito nga!
Kaya pakain ka tiger yan.
Ay, yung mga yan.
Bumawa, no?
Pero hindi, oo. Tayo rin pala. Wala lang masyado maganda dito. Baboy! Baboy!
Oh, pate!
Baboy sa mo, patay! May restroom, may tiger cafe. Yan! Ako, nakakatakot!
Lipat na tayo.
Parang hindi na. Ati mo din si Kato? Dapat na nga eh. Dali, salamat na tayo. Kaya na ba? Salamat din ha. Ano bang batin kailangan mo? Yes, ako dalawa batin din ako. Nicole! Hello! Meron? Sabi ni Jan, nakala ko manok. Agila pala. Maganda man ang special, laki-laki pa. Ano pa tayo? Nakatakot. Nalarami na.
T-Rex. Ay, may T-Rex dyan.
Anong bahay ba kayo? Hindi. Ikaw ba? Kung gusto mo tumulong pa dito lugar. Sige, kung eh.
Oo, gusto ko. Magbabawad din ako.
Ano masyado na sisisigaw yung mahal na ka? Ito mo eh, red soil. Yan ako. Kambing, parang baboy.
Oh my God, there's plenty of turkey here! Oh my God!
Anong turkey? Ostrich?
Hindi pa ng turkey here! Ay, ibon! Ay, walang bala ibon yung puwet! Yung iba!
Ano yung mga itinwell?
Don't put it there!
Ibon na nalagay sa pad. That's what you call turkey.
May kalat ang bago na mo! Uwak-uwak! My God!
Oh.
Yan na yung tawag dyan sa namin pa natin na...
Ito ang mga baboy.
Robo yan, Ay, hindi baboy daw mo. Nagkaano lang siya.
Ito siya.
Butos siya. Ay, butos yun. Kainin mo na kami ng buo. Inunti-unti mo pa. Buko pala yun. Bakit? Sharon. Ay, bakit? Tito Jun. Hi.
Ulan kasi. Ay, nakakita ka na ng Jongo. Go.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Dolphin Friends. My name is Gerson. Today we're going to explore the world of dolphins and whales. Here at Ocean Adventure, we have 10 individuals from 4 different species. As you have already seen, our dolphins are agile, graceful, powerful, and quick. So let's introduce our friends one at a time. We're going to start with the youngest male dolphin. His name is Zach. Ready to go, Zach? Jumping up next is a female bottlenose dolphin. To keep you along the bridge, this is Haley. And last but certainly not the least, introducing himself with a lovely spin, this is Seesaw. Alright, that's the dolphins. Now our friends are bottlenose dolphins, also known as tertial truncated. They're very friendly animals, and right now they would like to welcome everybody with a friendly wave below. Guys, when they get back, they surely got that. Whales and dolphins are not fish, are they? They're not. They're warm-blooded air-breathing mammals with live you and I. How can we tell? Hey! Hey! You think you can fool myself? No! Did you get it? Yeah! Did you eat my last fish? Huh? No! I think they show you medicine. Okay, why don't you tell them what happens to a bad guy? Well, both actually are just great. Because I will give her another chance. But this time it's going to be more difficult. Because I'll place a fish on top of her nose. Where she can smell it, but she cannot eat it unless I clap my hands. Madison, listen very carefully. Now guys, let's try the picture.
The way that always tries to maintain a good community relation is that we have invited a very special member of the community who would like to meet Brandy. There she is.
Wala naman.
Siya pinuntahan din.